Hey guys, NaJae back here with another video. I thought about doing it outside today because it's actually really nice today, and I kind of like this lighting that I'm getting. So I may do more videos outside. But this video I'm going to be talking about Rosemary Essential Oil. Just some health benefits. You know, pretty much what does Rosemary Essential Oil do for you health-wise, you know. So let's just get to the video. Okay. Rosemary essential oil helps support a healthy lifestyle regimen and well-being. So it can be used for infectious diseases, liver problems, throat infections, sinus infections, cold or flu, hair loss, concentration, mental clarity, and constipation. So that one oil, I didn't even bring it outside with me, but that one oil, I believe I have a 15 milliliter bottle of it, and that one oil has that many uses to help you with for your lifestyle. So if you have, like, I'm not saying I'm no doctor, but I'm saying these oils do have a meaning and that they really do work. And it may also help with arthritis, cellulite, chronic fatigue, muscle cramps, dandruff, fainting, fluid retention, headache, low blood pressure, improved memory, mental fatigue, nervous exhaustion, sinuses, and sour stomach. So that's a lot of things, and pretty much all you do is you can use the oil itself right out of the bottle, or you can make yourself a roller blend, mixing with other oils that have the same similarities that help out with those certain health problems. But like I said, I'm no doctor or nothing, but I use these oils on myself every day. I use them on my daughters. I don't really take medicine at all. But yeah, this was just going to be a short little clip. I think I'm going to start doing more videos, health benefits, to show you guys what individually, like what oils that I get and what they're used for and how I use them. How I use rosemary essential oils, I put it in a shampoo I just made a few days ago, and it smells really good. I mix it with peppermint, and then I also like to diffuse it. I like the smell of rosemary. And I know Young Living also has a rosemary vitality bottle that you can also use in your recipes. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.